Okay, folks, I have this plant. It's a basil plant, okay? And there was something eating it away, but I could not find nothing. I will let you look at it in a minute. Look at this. Don't know if you can see it. There was something eating it away, and I could not find nothing. And yesterday, I need to use basil in my rice with some nuts and everything, and I came across this creature. I don't know if you can see it. It's a butterfly cocoon, and I plucked it from the plant, and now I don't know what to do with it. I don't know whether I should put it back in the plant, take photographs of it developing. Is it going to die? I hope not. But the leaf is dying. The basil leaf is dying. So what should I do now? Put it back in the plant? That's my theory. If I put it back in here, it'll at least have something to eat when it wakes up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rest it here. Rest it there. And let's see how it develops. Sorry, I just love animals. I can't kill them. Love you all. Bye.